from Italy.
From Argentina.
And I'm from Turkey. I've been here for 6 weeks.
I've been here for 3 weeks.
I've been here for a month.
Been here for 3 weeks, and we had lessons and excursions.
Camden, Oxford, London Eye, and our teachers really good. Like they're so close with them. They were like friends.
Last week we went to Regent's University. It had been an interactive experience. It's something like the students do.
I've learned much more in just 1 month, and I had fun on the excursions. We've gone to so many pretty places. We took so many pictures.
It was the most incredible experience in my life, and I really want to come back again.
And I had a lot of fun.
I'd recommend other people to come as well and experience Excel School.